Snap, crackle, pop. No, not breakfast cereal, it's a campfire joke. Ever wonder why the tree couldn't stand up? Because it falls for anything. Moving to our feathery friends, why don't birds use Facebook? They already tweet enough. And what about the ocean's chuckle? Why did the beach blush? Because the seaweed. On the lighter side of flora, what did the big flower say to the little flower? Hi, bud. And not forgetting our insect friends, why was the centipede late for work? Because he was still tying his shoes. That's our quick nature humor roundup. Stay tuned for more, and remember, laughter is like a mini workout, so keep chuckling and stay fit.